Let's hear from Chris, a junior engineering, physics, and mathematics major from Siloam Springs, Arkansas, and captain of the three-time Argonia Cup-winning Rocketry team, the Rocket Dogs. SWOSU's engineering physics program stands out with opportunities for freshmen to participate in research projects, building close relationships with their professors from day one. Over to you, Chris.
Thank you, Alex. From a young age, I knew I wanted to be an engineer. My journey to Southwestern Oklahoma State University started with my girlfriend, now wife, coming to SWOSU to pursue a degree in pharmacy. I followed her here, and I couldn't have made a better decision. Something that sets SWOSU's engineering physics program apart is the ability to work on and lead research projects as a freshman, as well as building personal relationships with your professors. At larger universities, underclassmen typically do not have contributing roles in research until their junior or even senior year. At SWOSU, I was immediately engaged in research. It doesn't matter your classification or background knowledge. Project advisors only care about your willingness to learn and eagerness for success. SWOSU works hard to ensure that no student feels as though they are just a number. We're encouraged to learn and succeed by the faculty and the SWOSU community. There's always something to do on campus, whether it be events in the residence halls or free lunches offered by the campus ministries. I've had the privilege of being the team captain for the SWOSU Rocket Dogs team. They compete nationally in Kansas each year. Bringing home 3 consecutive Argonia Cup titles, I get to use the knowledge poured out by our professors in the classroom and apply it to the real world. After graduating from SWOSU, I plan on furthering my education. I'm looking into aerospace engineering and medical physics programs, and I'm currently applying all over the nation. SWOSU has done a wonderful job of preparing me for my future. Thank you. Back to you, Alex.
Chris, thank you for highlighting the unique opportunities within SWOSU's engineering physics program. Participating in research from the start and leading the Rocket Dogs team shows the valuable experiences available at SWOSU. Your story highlights the extremely supportive environment here. Thank you.